Dear friends, in this video I am talking about an error. First I will read the error message. Error npm1 package.json no repository field. I got this error when I was working in a Node.js project. I was installing a package with the command sudo npm install -g my package name. -g stands for globally install this package name. Sudo for the permission. With an administrator permission, I am going to install this package globally. But I got this error. After some time, I found the solution. Actually, no repository field. This no repository field is not an error. This is not an error, but a warning that occurs when a package is missing the repository field in its package.json file. Okay, that means I am trying to install this package, but in this package there is a package.json file. In that package.json file there is a field named as repository. It is missing. There is no field with the name repository in the package.json file of this package. For example, if I am going to install React, in React there is a package.json file. Inside that package.json file there should be a repository field. React is an example. It can be any package. If there is no repository field, we will get this error. npm1 package.json no repository field. Actually, the repository field is used to indicate where the source code for the package is hosted, and it is not strictly necessary for a package to function. Actually, this repository field is not very important. It just shows that this package source code is hosted at this location. Just mention where this package's source code is hosted. If this warning appears in a project you are managing, if this error happens at your own package and not just during a global install, you can add the repository field to your package.json file. So if it happens in your package, actually you are going to install your own package, this package is your own, then you can add it yourself. Open package.json file and add this field. Repository, type git URL, a GitHub URL where your package source code is hosted. You can replace with your own URL, GitHub URL. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please support me by commenting, liking. Thank you.